Burloni, Jinan, International Trade Company Limited, located in Jinan, Shandong Province, is an integrated company with a full chain of R&D, sales and after-sales service, and diversified expansion. The company's main business is filling and packaging equipment, which are widely used in food, medicine, daily chemicals, and other industries. Shandong Filling Automation Equipment Company Limited is the factory of Burloni, Jinan, International Trade Company Limited, located in Liaocheng, Shandong Province, including R&D design, production, after-sales service, and other departments. The products have been exported to more than 50 countries and regions including North America, the Middle East, Western Europe, Asia, Russia, Australia, etc. All products have obtained CE certification approved by the European Union. The company has participated in many international exhibitions, such as ProPack Exhibition and Gulfood Manufacturer Exhibition. At present, there are agents in the UAE and Australia, which can provide after-sales installation and commissioning services. We are committed to providing customers with turnkey solutions for filling and packaging. The main project areas include lubricants, edible oils, protein powders, ketchup, salad sauces, laundry detergents, and so on. The company always regards innovation as the driving force of its development. Product quality is the foundation of the company, and perfect after-sales service as the company's long-term goal, so that the Filling Auto brand packaging equipment can serve more global customers. We sincerely look forward to your cooperation and visit.